I never wanted to give a, sad story that, or I don't want to project myself as a crying baby that this happened, that happened. But for some years, I was feeling neglected. I was feeling isolated, and then there was a trust deficit, especially after the Congress organizational election, and that has happened 2-3 years now. So I had been relegated to the background in every manner. So obviously, I was hurt. I was feeling isolated, and then there were other events which actually ignited the feeling of isolation, feeling of distrust. So finally, I took the decision to leave the party. See, I obviously do not want to level any allegation or say things which I don't think proper. But I was feeling very neglected. I was feeling very. I said there was a complete mistrust and trust deficit. So I found it impossible to work in such a vitiated atmosphere. And that's why I took that decision. Election, and after that I campaigned for Dr. Shashi Tharoor. After that, somehow, probably the second-rung leaders saw to it that, probably I should be shunted out, and that was there. That was always there. And I was just reduced to be a vegetable, in the party. I was not taken into consideration for any kind of decision-making activity. That I'm not sure, but then allegations, I hope the allegations will be proved and allegation will come out, into its logical conclusion. Yesterday, to my surprise, when I arrived in the airport, there were nearly 500 youth and other activists from the Congress party. They received me at the airport. They came all the way to Vajpayee Bhavan, and they all joined en masse in the BJP from Congress. Not that I'm trying to take credit for that, but I think the kind of atmosphere that prevails in the Congress party now, the Congress activists, the Congress workers, Congress leaders, they feel very demotivated. Even today, there were some activists from Nagaon, there were some activists from Darang. They came to see me, Congress activists. They want to resign. I said, you decide for yourself. Okay? Because they all feel very demotivated, and then they feel that there's no proper atmosphere in the Congress party to work wholeheartedly for make the Congress party win at the moment. So it could be increased also. But yesterday I'm talking about the huge auditorium in Vajpayee Bhavan. It was totally filled up. They're all from Congress, mostly youth. They all came and then joined BJP. Legal, I do not know. But then Congress party seemed to be occupied with only those seats. Other seats, they didn't seem to be very interested or didn't seem to be, activated that way. So that actually also hurt me deeply. I never did any Muslim appeasement. I always worked for downtrodden people who were economically, socially, or even politically also were always deprived